Hey, Overtime Garage, just a quick shot at fixing this exhaust leak on a catalytic converter header pipe. We have a leak coming from the bottom side of this, as evidence from the vehicle making an exhaust leaky sound. And now we bought ourselves a new piece. We're gonna trim this up and weld the new one on. So let's do it. Okay, here we go. We got it all lined up, cleaned up, and actually now tacked in place. So we'll take our finished welding skills and close all that up and be good to go. And we'll cross our fingers that it's in the exact right position as the original. I guess we'll know pretty soon when we put it back in. All right, there we go. Mission accomplished. Got our new flange welded on there. Made sure we had all the little holes filled. Should be no exhaust leaks, but we'll check it. But done here. Let's get the rest of it back together.